Hey Siri, what's the difference between a quiche and a frittata?
Here's what I found from Beckett.com. The biggest differences between a frittato and a quiche are the egg to dairy ratio, the presence of a crust, and the vessel that they are baked in.
Well, I guess I'm making a frittata today. This delicious frittata recipe is packed with 21 grams of protein, 4 grams of carbs, and has a hearty helping of vegetables per serving. So, stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. Welcome to KetoCraftKitchen, your source for the best keto, low carb, and healthy recipes. Keto breakfast ideas are always tough to figure out, but having this protein-packed, low carb option is definitely one to keep in your recipe bank. With ricotta as a sneaky punch of protein and a hearty helping of vegetables, this can easily become a new breakfast staple in your keto diet. Now, even though I use chicken sausage in this dish, you can substitute bacon or pork sausage. With frittatas, you can kind of make them your own. Now, even though I just learned the difference between a quiche and a frittata, I'm still gonna walk you through it. The first thing you wanna do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then peel and finely mince 2 cloves of garlic. Next, take half of a medium onion and finely dice that. Next, take half of a red bell pepper and finely chop that. Now, take 3 sausage links. I use the Publix brand chicken and spinach feta, but you could use whatever you have available. And then chop them in half lengthwise and about ½ inch pieces from there. Once all your diced ingredients are prepared, you can now work on the egg mixture. The egg mixture will consist of 4 whole eggs, 4 egg whites, or 3/4 of a cup of liquid egg whites, a 1/4 cup of part skim ricotta cheese, and a dash of salt and pepper. And whisk your egg mixture until all ingredients are combined. Now warm a 10-inch skillet on medium-high heat. Once it's warm, add a tablespoon of avocado oil. Once that's done, cook the minced garlic for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then add the onion and chicken sausage and cook those until they begin to brown. Once they're browned, add 3 cups of fresh spinach and continue to cook everything until the spinach has wilted. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now sprinkle the diced red bell pepper evenly on top and then cover it all with your egg mixture. Now bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's cooked through and the edges are brown. Now cut into 4 servings and enjoy that awesome protein-packed keto frittata. You can top these to your pleasing. I just did some sriracha and some sliced avocado on the side. At this point, I pretty much can't eat eggs without sriracha. But you could add some shredded cheese, some sugar-free ketchup, some low-carb toast. There are tons of ways you can customize the toppings. The suspense is killing me. Let's just go for it. That is crazy good. All these ingredients really complement each other. Really like the texture that the chicken sausage adds, and the vegetables add tons of flavor. With the sriracha and the avocado, it's a nice touch. To be honest, I think frittata is just a fancy word for omelet pie. And if you're looking for keto breakfast recipes, you have to give this one a try. Hakuna Frittata. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button and share the video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. And let me know in the comment section what you put in your frittata. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it classy, keep it keto. Keto Craft Kitchen out. If you need a healthy, low-carb dinner idea, check out this meatloaf recipe. Also, check out my keto recipe playlist. And don't forget to subscribe.